Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to connect Binance to MetaTrader 5. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So start by opening up your MetaTrader 5 and make sure it is updated to latest version available. After that, sign into your account. Now, once you are in, click on plus icon on the top right and you will be on this page. Here, click on the search icon on the top of your screen. Now once you are in, you just need to search for BTC just like this. Now, once you search for the BTC, it should show you the Binance option, which you can simply click and log in with your Binance account. But if I remove this, as you can see, the application may feature brokerage companies, which may not be regulated in your country. So you need to make sure to keep this point in mind. And some companies might not be available in your region as well. So if you cannot find this, that means it's not available. Otherwise, you can simply going to click on that particular BTC and you will going to see something like this. So that's basically how you can connect Binance to MetaTrader 5. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.